Ah, that really hurts. You stop it. Ow, ow, you mutt. Do the moon. Do the dum dum. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Still can't believe you did this. I am going to kill you. You sure about that? Because time's ticking, you know. I've gotta go, sadly. So I'll catch you up later. So yeah. I have to go. Bye. Transform. This is amazing. She thinks she could get away with it. Well, she's not running for long. How dare you, you psychopath of a demon. You ruined my perfectly clean fur that I just washed. You are going to die, and I guarantee if you step one closer near me, you die, okay? I don't care. Oh my gosh, I better not be late. Oh my gosh, if I can't get another one, why did she make her den so far away if I can only get there in a split second before she howls? The howling is going to start, and if I'm late, oh my gosh, she will kill me. She gave me 3 strikes. I already used 2 of them. If I'm not here, I'm dead forever. I need to run faster. There's no hope. I just need to run. There's hope that I can still be alive or just run. Gosh, where is he? He should be here right now. Oh crap, I'm late. I just have to run faster than I used to run. Yeah! Oh my gosh, all this running making me tired. I look like a shaggy sheep dog, whatever that means. My paws have run out for 2 hours, and then I'm looking so much like a maniac. I need to keep running. If she thinks that I am with another wolf, maybe I'm dead. I need to run faster. If I don't, she'll kill me. Okay. I'm ready for this. 2, 1. Crap. Oh no. Crap. Crap. She already jumped in the water. What's the point of it? If she's in the water, what's the point of chasing now? The point is you still have to rescue her. Yeah, let's go. I'll be a hero for once. Help, I can't swim. It's deep in this water. Help me. I'm jumping in, boys. Only to save her, yes. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We can't just leave him like that. He's our brother. Yeah, our brother. Oh, come on, Hunter. You didn't agree to this. You agreed to Loop. Yeah, you agreed to him because since he's your big brother. Oh, shut up. I'm not gonna listen to females. What did you just say? I am the alpha. Sorry, sis. I should not have said that. I'll kick you out as beta. Hey, Cream, you should have made me beta. Yeah, that'd be much better. Ladies, calm down. We're going to see Jack. Okay. I can't do this anymore. I left my siblings. They're probably after me now. But I didn't want them to get hurt because of me. They don't know the secret, but I never loved them. The secret has to be sacred. Safe with me. They knew the real truth. They'll never love me anymore. I just need to keep it running faster and faster. Go. I need to go. I see them. I see them with the corner of my eyes. They're running after me. If they keep chasing me, there'll be no luck anymore. I'll just have to tell them the truth. If I tell them the truth, they'll love me. They'll never love me or forgive me. I should just keep it to myself because that's better. I just hate how these things work. Too cat-like. Wait, what? I'm not a cat, but I'm a half cat? That's weird. I mean, this is absolutely weird, you know. I've been looking, and I just feel like these teeth are too big for me. I mean, yeah, I should probably cut them. But on what? I'm sorry, honey, but you can't cut them. Oh, I hate this. I just love you, Jesse. I did this for you. Goodbye, sweetheart. Father, why did you have to go? You were too old and weak for it. Instead, you fight for me. I should have fought for you. I'm more stronger. I'm an adult. My life could be taken by. Why did you do that, Father? You had so much to live for. You could have been happy, but the Dune of Wolves couldn't get you. It's all because of me, isn't it? You wanted to save me. Is it because I was born and you loved me so much? It's probably because I was born and he loved me so much. If I wasn't born, he wouldn't love me. He wouldn't got in this situation and killed and sacrificed him for me. I'm just an ugly she-wolf with no responsibility. I'm an omega. I have no rights, and my father didn't either. So why should he the one to die? The alpha should have died. This is terrible. I hate myself. I hate my life. There's nothing to do now. With my father dead, there's nothing to do. I'm so unstoppable. I'm so capable. No one will get me. I'm so magical. I am delusion. But I'm your heart. And no one can stop. I am your heart. And today, no one could kill me because I'm stronger. I'm delusion. I'm stronger. I'm stronger. I'm running through this world. No one can kill me, but only I can kill them. There's ways to strong, but I'm stronger. Yeah, I'm gonna kill you. You're under the door. Ah! No! I'm gonna jump through it. Ah! I thought no one can kill me stronger. You know that I do. I'm stronger than I'm coming. I know I'm the Super Saiyan. Oh, I'm coming for him. I'm attack. We need to know. Oh, attack. My head doesn't round in the sky. I have this funny ball down my eye. I'm the best with anyone. Then the illusion. He thinks he's so strong. He thinks he can kill everyone. But really, he can't keep me. I'm unstoppable, capable. I'm too strong. He's so born. He has a bond, so see to the capable. That's right, generator. So gorgeous. I know. What should we call them? Well, I don't know. I wanted to tell you something, Devin. Yes? I don't love you anymore. What? We make these cookies for no reason. I don't love you. I never did it for you. I did it for myself. I did it because why? Explanation. I did it because I wanted to make you mad and jealous and stuff. I wanted to make you feel like you were all to me, but I really don't want to listen. Goodbye, Devin. What? What? No! Woo! It's so, I'm so glad I'm free right now. If I were anywhere else, then if I was anywhere else, I would have been free. Because I don't like my home. Okay, I just ran away. I don't want to be in this path. I already left my path, and yeah. Running, jump. I really do need a mate. I'm just too pink and black. Am I like emo or something? Is that why no one wants to be my mate? Because am I like too emo? Like the boys are just gonna be like, no one wants to be with that pink girl. She's too pink. The red eyes. I look like a demon. That's what I look like. This is why I don't have pups yet. No one will ever like me with my pink and my emo self. Am I like too emo? I wish someone in this wolf world even was emo. I was born differently. Only if I can find the perfect wolf for me, the perfect wolf to match me, and we can have puppies together. It would be so nice. Don't get the thought to my head. Now that I think about it, I feel disgusted now. Yeah. Brother, how dare you say that? You might. I know someone perfect for you, but I guess you don't want her because she's too stupid. Goodbye. I'm gonna attack you, you stupid. No one. Ah! Are you really sure? I'm coming at you. I'm too angelic for this world. I mean, no one would like a perfect pretty pup like me. And then that's why my parents adopted me. They were all loyalty, but they weren't this fancy. They didn't want to a two-person breed. There was this fence in their house, so they didn't like to eat the food they would plan, so they kicked me out. And then it was such a bummer. I wish I was something different, like not an angel wolf, these big wings. I'm just so lonely. Everyone thinks I'm a myth, but it's not true. I wish my mom never left me. I'm just walking in a slow motion, and well, I'm just walking here, and no one loves me anyway. I'm just a tiny miniature pup. Hey, who would adopt me anyway? No, just James will pick looking pup around here. If I don't think I have this. Or ran away. Only if my voice wasn't so small. I think your calculations that you got me wrong. I think I'm a talking dog, not a talking wolf. Yeah, you heard me. I think I am a talking dog, okay? Don't judge me. I'm a mixed breed. I'm a husky wolf. You know that. And I won't fight for my freedom. You know. You savage beast, you took away my freedom and my mate and my puppies and you used them as slaves. I never thought of you would have so much slack of yours and slack for them to clean up. I didn't know you were this sloppy and messy with your whole dungeons. I think you should be more fancier like the wolf. Like the wolf husky breed, which is random and secure. You dumb slave, and you think you're so insecure about it, or you're just the one using. You're just too lazy to use just to clean your own stuff when you're using other people. You horrible wolf salad. I wish you were never born, so we could have peace. If you weren't born, this would never happen. You savages beast, I didn't want to bow to you, and now I work for you. This is what you get. You get the spanking and lessons you need. This is the worst water ever. I mean, who was in this water? I mean, would I drink this anymore? Oh, it has so much hair. Blood? I'm not drinking this water anymore. It's so good. No, the blood.